engine is the heart of the vehicle. If proper care is not taken, it may lead to deterioration of its life and performance. Please follow these simple steps to ensure the engine is maintained during this period. Visually inspect for any oil leakages from the engine. Check the engine oil level with the dipstick with the vehicle parked on the main stand or in the upright position. Start the engine by using kick or electric start. After starting the engine, let it idle for 5-6 minutes. This will help to maintain proper oil circulation. It also ensures proper functioning of the fuel system. Stay home, stay safe.